You drop it, I'll catch it. Did you get it?
I knew it's crazy. He's on the History Channel.
He's on the industry.
Here, squeaky, squeaky. Oh, put it in the basket. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Good job. Good boy. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Now what? Now what? Now what are you going to do? Now what are you going to do about it? You're such a good boy. What are you going to do about it? You going to give it a kiss? Let's find it. Where'd it go? There it is. Get it. Get it. Get it and put it in the cup. We'll put it in the cup. Is it going to get you? Is it going to get you? What's going to happen? What's going to happen? Can you put it in the cup? Put it in the cup. Get it. Squeaky, squeaky. I catch it. Good boy. That's a good boy. What are you going to do? Where are you going? Where are you going? Izzy. You can give it to Mama? You want to give it to Mama? Well, give it to me. Now what? Now what are we going to do with it? Oh, back up there. We laugh about it? Gonna laugh about it? Where'd he go? Put it in the cup. Put it in the cup. No, don't drop it back there. Put it in the cup. Good boy. Oh, put it in there. You can do it. Put it in the cup. Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Put it in the cup. Oh, no. Oh, no. Take it and put it in the cup. Put it in the cup. Oh, you just threw it in the floor. You threw it in the floor.
Hey, sir, can we ask you a couple questions?
Put it in the cup. Put it in the cup. Put it in the cup. That's a good boy. Good boy, yay, Izzy. Yay. Yay. Good job.